up, guys? Hope you guys are good. Hope everyone is good. I'm back again on YouTube. Guys, I finally passed my Equity Edge 5K account, or 5K challenge rather. As you can see here, I passed the first phase. This was the second phase, and this is my funded account. So as you can see here, here's the date. It's written here. It's evident there, guys. And so far, I currently just took one trade on it. And yeah, just come with me on this journey and let's see how far we can take this account. Right guys, so this is the trade that I took. So let's just analyze it with you guys and let me just show you my thought process behind it. Right, let me just remove these lines to make everything clear and easy. And please mind the noise, guys. My environment is not very noise friendly, so you guys gonna have to bear with me for some time. Well, not for some time, like for a very long time, I'm assuming, because I'm gonna be here for quite some time. Sorry. So if you look at this chart, right, if you look at this chart from what it is, you can see that here we had a low, we created a high, came back down, created a high, created equal lows, created a lower high, because this is a high but it's lower than the previous one, which signals that this price is probably signaling for bearish movement or bearish momentum, right? And then we come to the daily. On the daily, yes, we did experience bullish momentum from price, as you can see, from here to here, from here to here. This was our most recent low, daily low. This is our most recent daily low, and this is our most recent daily high, right? But we never took out that previous high, so we're still very much bearish because we also broke the daily lows on the left, right? So let's continue to dive deeper. If we go on to the 4 hour, guys, it's very evident that we were having high highs. We were having high highs, higher lows, high highs, higher lows, high highs, high lows, high highs, and then from here we had a shift of structure or change of character. And then we created a lower than the previous one, created a higher low, and then we had that engulfing candlestick signaling or giving us confirmation for sales. And then I just took it at the close of the candlestick right there, right here. I took it at the close of the candlestick, risking 0.5% to make 1.3 or more. Right, basically like a 1:3. So yeah, as you can see, currently the trade is floating in profit. And let's just see, or just wait for the rest of the day and see how the price goes. Right guys, so right now it's currently 14:52 during the day, and I'm seeing a possible sell entry on NZD-CHF. So let me just quickly break that down for you guys. Alright, so as you guys can see from here, we've just been having a very bearish or downtrend, right? The market has been just downtrending from here all the way, right? Here we have a previous high of which price actually broke, but never really broke because we did not have the candlestick confirmation or body close above. Well, we do have a body close above, but look at the following daily candle. It's actually going to be engulfing, or it is actually engulfing. This is the ongoing candle that we have currently, like today, which is Friday the 25th of July. So when we go down to the smaller time frames, like the 4-hour time frame, we see that there's been a change of character, right? You see that there's been a change of character. Price has been bullish from here, went up, came down, created a high, created a high low, created a high, and then right now, as you can see, we broke this previous low. As you can see, we do have a candlestick body close below. So right now we are actually retesting this level. So if we go into the 1-hour time frame, let's go to the 1-hour time frame. So if you can see the 1-hour time frame, we're getting the engulfing candlestick confirming ourselves. So yeah, we're most definitely going to be taking this trade once the candlestick closes. So we're just waiting for 1500 hours on the dot for us to take this trade. But it's also going to depend on if or rather how the actual candlestick closes. So we need a candlestick that's going to engulf these two bodies, right? Or even if it just closes right here on the entry, then I'll be more than willing to take this entry. I haven't really took it. I'm just still waiting for confirmation. But yeah, this is looking promising, so I might just take it. Alright guys, there's only 2 minutes before it's 3 o'clock. So I'm most definitely taking this trade now. I don't think there could be any changes or drastic changes now. So let's go already. Right, we're live on this trade. Let's modify, put our take profit levels. So guys, today is the 27th of July. It's a Sunday, and I'm just doing market prep and basically also just recapping on the trades that I took with you guys. I think on the 25th. Yeah, it was the 25th. So currently, this market is still bearish for me. Um, I'm still gonna hold the sells because if we go to the daily, the momentum that we see here is very strong. Right, this momentum is very strong. Yes, the daily is still bullish, but I believe there's high chances of the daily lows being broken or being taken out. Reason why I'm saying that is because the 4-hour structure is still very much bearish, right? So we had like a low, low, high, low, 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 high, low, low. We're probably just making a low high to then continue making a lower low, breaking the previous daily lows, right? And same thing with the 1 hour time frame. Nothing has changed. This is the previous high or previous higher low high, sorry. Yeah, this is the previous high, low high, and we haven't taken it out. And you could say this is kind of like an order block or whatever they call it. Yeah, but this zone hasn't been broken out or hasn't been taken out as the most recent previous high on the 1 hour time frame, right? So the 1 hour is still also very much bearish. And if you come to the 15 minutes, the 15 minutes has already changed character, right? This is a low, we had a high, we had a higher low, we had a high, higher low, high, we came down and we broke the previous low, right? So um yeah, really bearish on the 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour. It's just the daily that's still buying. But yeah, I'm sure we're just getting ready to take these lows out. You might just enter another trade here. Let's probably on like the 1 hour time frame if we get an engulfing candlestick. The second trade that we have is NZDCHF. We have sells here. We have sells. This market is also still bearish, but however, the daily is showing signals or signs of bullish momentum. Let's go to the daily time frame. If you come to the daily, as I said before, look at this massive engulfing candlestick. Right, we took out these previous highs. We had a massive rejection, and then we had like an engulfing candlestick, which gave me signals to, or probably, sorry, which gave me a signal that this market's probably continuing with its bearish momentum or its bearish bias, right? And here on the 4 hour, we also had change of character as we broke this previous low, and we're just retesting this area right here. So we haven't taken out these highs. Once price takes out these highs, I'm going to be changing my bias to buys, right? I'm going to be moving with buys on this market if price takes this out, but if it doesn't, I'm still selling. I'm going to be selling this market because there's a high chance that this market is going to continue selling, right? So, and that's that. And there's a very high chance this market is going to continue selling because, as you can see from here, we've been just dropping. This was a fake out, we dropped. This is probably just another fake out, and we're just gonna drop again, right? So it's just patience. But however, if we do take out these highs, I'm gonna buy this market to here probably, right? Other trades to look out for are AED CAD, right? AED CAD. We have a daily bullish price action, right? This price is just bullish, as you can see, right? Approaching those highs right there. We had a break of structure, change of character here. Broke, it came back down to retest, and currently we broke those previous highs. So if we could just get a retest here, we're looking to buy this market to the upside. So daily is buying, 4 hours bullish, and the 1 hour is also bullish. This is a very good trade to take, so I'm really looking forward to taking this one when the week starts. Another one to look out for is probably USD come to the daily. As you can see on the daily, we have a very strong bearish momentum kicking in, breaking these previous lows. We already broke this previous low or previous candlestick low, and we're just retesting here. As you can see, we also have a very like a doji candlestick, a rejection candlestick there. If you come to the 4-hour time frame, you can see prices breaking this previous low right here, and we're just waiting for a retest onto that order block level or that resistant level that we have right there. And once we get an engulfing candlestick somewhere around here, we'll be looking to sell this market all the way to the downside. Alright, so this is another good trade to look out for next week that I'm going to be very looking forward to taking.